fixing to start to plow me a garden spot up here at the house. I'm so excited. It's the first year we've had a garden up here. We normally always do it down at Nana and Pa's house. Gotta go around the long way because we put all that electric fence up. Just be able to shut the gate, not lock it. They shouldn't be coming over this way, especially with me going over there to check on them. Fly spray already. Should come back over here and spray you. There they are. Now we'll check the fence line up there in those mountains where they thought they saw one of them out. This might be the culprit. We got some fence down right there. They're not really down, just has a hole in it. Could be the culprit. Which one of yous are getting out? They always manage to get back in though. It's crazy. You work and work and work and kill yourself trying to get them back in, and then you come back and they're all there. That's the farm life, I guess. It sure is gorgeous. See all that green. We definitely live in a beautiful place. We are extremely blessed. The fence. Oops. The fence on this side looks pretty good, except for just a couple of spots. I don't know where they're getting out at. But they're all here for right now. Maybe they won't get out tomorrow. Well, come on up here, buddy. What you wanting to do? Hey. Come on up here, buddy. Come on. You know, it's crazy, but you see these paths? Can't really see that upper one because I'm down below it, but that's not from a vehicle. That is from the cows. They take the same path over to the other side of the field every time. It beats all I've ever seen. It's crazy. You'll see on the side of a mountain, there'll just be lines where they take the same path. They're creatures of habit. So it might not be a good idea not to lock the gate if the wind's blowing. Yeah, I didn't lock the gate back, but luckily I think they're all still here. But note to self, always lock it back just in case you take off to the other side of the mountain and they try to come and get out. Glad they didn't. I think I did pretty good on the Haran job. Well, I'm exhausted. He's hoeing. Eli's, I don't know what he's doing. And I've been collecting this big mound of grass out of there. Since it was grass before, it was part of the hayfield. It's got a lot of grass in it, so we'll do a lot of hard work this year, and the next year it won't be that bad. I'll remember that when we're harvesting the vegetables, because right now it's the hard part, but it's not. It's very rewarding when you start getting the crop out. Well, what are you doing by throwing dirt on me? That don't help me. I've been picking up things like this.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
These big clumps. It'll help in the long run. All my big piles come up from pieces like that. I said a long time ago that this ground used to be the old sawmill. So we're finding some really cool things. Some kind of old bearing off of something. It's pretty cool. We found a really old nail yesterday too. Tonight's job is getting up all these little piles, these little rows of the grass, and putting them in the tractor so that we can get rid of the grass. That's my job for tonight, using this handy dandy pitchfork. To do today?
Fish.
Fish for the very first time. It's Eli's first time fishing.
Oh yeah, I got a big one. I sure got a big one. Look, it's biting on it. I cannot get it up. Oh my, almost got it. It's going right down. I'm gonna take it down. I got. What I got this.
Here, Penny, this is your first one.
Mama.
You ready?
Does everybody know what this is? This is not just regular milk. This is fresh milk from the cow that our neighbor brought us. I'm gonna try my hand at making butter and actually drinking this. We'll see how it goes. Here we go. That's actually really good. I literally just drank milk that we just squeezed out of the cow, and it's good. He's starting to dig up the pumpkin patch. I would be over there with him, but we have a contractor here working on some stuff on the house. But he's starting to plow it up. Got finished planting potatoes for the first time. It's hard work, back-breaking work, because it will be good when we eat it. Walking down to the pumpkin patch, well, what's going to be the pumpkin patch, to check it out since he plowed it today. I'll show y'all. Go down here. It's much bigger when you get down here than what it looks like from the house. And this is a whole lot bigger when you get down here than what it appears like from the house. That's gonna be peppers. So Lots of good things coming. I know this doesn't look like a huge field to most people that are used to doing any kind of row crop or crops at all, but this is a new adventure for us, and this is pretty huge, especially a novice like me who just got her back broke trying to plant some potatoes because I'm not used to doing that kind of stuff. So I'm excited to learn how to do this and work hard and supply for our family and put food on our table. My husband and my father-in-law and here pretty much have always done the gardens, and my dad did them at our house growing up. But I'm excited to actually get in there and do it myself some this year. So we'll see. But yes, pumpkin farm coming soon. Still consistency of milk, but yes, it's thicker. I don't know what I'm doing, so I guess that's right. I guess that's all of it. So the instructions that I saw online said to put cream in the mixer, all of it together. It doesn't seem very clumpy to me though, but we'll see. Turn it on low. Let it start working. You're supposed to shake it in the jar. Maybe I need to put it up to the next speed. I think it takes it a while, a minute or two. I actually reread the directions and it says to do it on high. One thing I read said low. So now we're getting a little bit more frothy. Said you should expect to see some yellow clumps. Now it just looks like thick whipped cream. So I'm just going to keep on going. Okay, y'all, I think if it'll focus, we're rocking and rolling. It finally started working. I turned it up a little bit higher and now we have the clumps. I think that's what we're supposed to have. My mixer's disgusting and there's stuff everywhere, but one thing I read said to put just a towel over top, and that's what I did because otherwise it would splash all over your counter, and they were right. But it's going to be worth it in the end. So this is the clumps that we got out. I knew that it wasn't going to be a ton because there was only like 1/4 of an inch of cream on the top, but we're going to try to squeeze it out. Okay, y'all, this is what I got. It's just a little bit, but hey, it's butter. I made butter for the first time. I'm so excited. And this supposed leftover stuff is the buttermilk now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.